We are a kura that's made up of about 40 different cultures at the moment. So for us, cultural safety is a big one, and it's a big one for everyone because everyone wants to feel that sense of belonging, that sense of safety within these walls. They want to see themselves and their culture valued and visible within this space. What I work really hard on here is to establish an environment and a culture of trust where we have, even though we're different, we have that shared tikanga. The way that we work is shared among all of the different people that are here. So I guess it's just giving everybody a chance to see themselves within this space, to see their cultures represented within this space, and that allows us to sort of build those cross-cultural relationships based on trust. We've got this concept of pūmanaotanga that we use as part of what we call our intercultural wheel. So it's a concept that was created by the late Angus McFarlane, an amazing man who was a real treasure, real koha to education. So he talks about pūmanaotanga being the tone and the pulse and the morale of an organisation, and that's fed into by a whole heap of values that sit around the outside of that. But pūmanaotanga is something that you see and something that you feel. A couple of years ago we went on a big waka trip out in the Able Tasman. So we're all in this waka together, yeah? He waka eke noa. We're all paddling together. Pūmanaotanga is something that you feel when everyone is paddling in unison. If you've got one person that's out of sync, you can feel it instantly. So that concept of pūmanaotanga is when everything is just moving forward, you've got momentum. And that's the same within an organisation. So you know when things are going well with the children, with the staff, with the people, because you'll be able to feel it. You don't feel that hoi that is in the water that's creating friction. So it's that feeling of everyone moving forward together.